We start with a thick cut of ribeye, seasoned generously with coarse salt and freshly cracked pepper. Using the ferro rod, throw the sparks directly into your driest kindling. Once you have a flame, carefully build it up with Get a nice layer of oil down first, really work it in. Follow that up with a generous helping of our spice blend.
Gently lift the steak, ensuring the seasoning adheres properly. The key is a precise
Go ahead and place the rosemary right on top. The heat will release those aromatics. First, we're going to take this beautiful red apple and carefully remove the top with a sharp knife, making sure to get a clean cut for our garnish. We're looking for that perfect thin slice. Once cut, we'll gently push these over to the apples.
To prepare the base, finely chop the chili peppers and eggplant. Once minced, use the side of the knife to create a smooth, consistent mash.
Next, we add the freshly sliced tomatoes to our mash. Mix gently until just combined.
Now we add the vegetables to the cream cheese. Use the knife to gently fold it all together until fully combined.
Next, we carefully crack the egg into the cup, making sure to get every last drop for our Riverside French toast. Now that the dough is securely wrapped, we'll give it a quick dip in the egg wash. This will help us get that perfect golden brown crust over the fire.